What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to add the WP call button or a click to call button for WordPress into your site in specific pages or locations on your site. So in the yesterday's video that I hope you guys already watched, if not I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here, we did learn how to install and set up the free WP Call Button WordPress plugin and start using it. And this is the results we got. Independently of any page that we go onto our example website, on your website, we're gonna be able to see this floating button into the left side, but you can change this. Watch the previous video because in the case that you're gonna learn this, but in the case that you want to learn this, but we did set this up. But this button, it's global, so it appears independently of the page you are, the post you are, the product you are, the landing page you are. But let's imagine that I would like to apply this call button into my website footer, into my blog post sidebar, or into some page content, for example. Okay, we're gonna learn this into this video. So before anything, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel because we bring daily videos for WordPress usage, tutorial, marketing, SEO, and many more topics in order to use internet on your favor. So please help us by clicking into the subscribe button and liking this video. It's free and help us a lot. Now let's go to the tutorial. Before anything, make sure that you have installed and set up the WP call button. As told previously, did learn how to do this in the yesterday's video, so go there, install this, set up, and after this we're gonna be able to see a page like this one into our WordPress website. Now we're gonna go right here to the static call button. Okay, this is where we're gonna play with our button. First of all, we can change the text, call us. Then we can change the colors. We're gonna use the X style, so you can pick the color right here. And then we can hide the font icon on. We can hide the font icon on your button. Okay, I do like the font icon, so I prefer to keep that, but you can select to hide. Then we have this short code. I'm gonna copy that. This is gonna be useful later. But let's start adding this as a widget. Okay, go to our WordPress dashboard, appearance, widgets, click right here, and then you're gonna be able to see a list of the tabs that your themes create. In the case that you are in need of a good theme to apply widgets, start a blog, or build landing page that converts on your WordPress, install the Enzo free WordPress theme by Visual Modo. That is the best free WordPress theme on the planet. So here is my right sidebar. We have the left sidebar and other setups according to your needs. I'm gonna click into this plus button, and here we're gonna search for WP call. Simple as that. Here is my widget. I'm gonna apply, and here we go. Here is my button. As soon as I click in update, the button gonna be placed into my sidebar. In the case that I want to move this, I'm gonna click right here into this drop icon, drag and drop it to other locations. Let's imagine that I want that this call button can be the first thing into my sidebar before the search label. And here we go. Just click on update and we are good to go. The same thing happens in the case that you want to apply this to your store sidebar, to your footer column. Okay, so simple as that. Then let's learn how to apply this into a blog post or into a page using the block editor or the famous WordPress Gutenberg. Go to your posts, for example, but this can be done on products, pages, any part of your site. You can go to a previously made post or to a new post. Remember, this is just an example. Adjust all of this to your needs. We're gonna click into this plus button select or search for WP call. Here is the widget that we are looking for, the block, and simple as this. Then we have our call button. We can apply more text right here in the case that you need, or even change the title according to your needs. Simple, fast, easy, and effective. And if any user click on it, it gonna opens the color of their phones, for example, and we're gonna call you if this is your needs. For example, your conversion, it's a call. Then let's learn how to do this in other methods, okay? Another important note, if you are using the Gutenberg or block editor, if you click right here and go to this gear icon at the top right corner, you can reveal that we have some options for our buttons. For example, the size options, the sizing options, the hide option for the icon, the center align the button, that is really useful. We can change also the background color of our button. And the text color of our button. Now, let's imagine that you build up your pages using the Elementor website builder plugin, okay? So, let's go to a page made with Elementor. Let's open up the Elementor Editor. We can do this by clicking into Edit with Elementor right here, or directly on your page front end into the top toolbar. Wait a moment while Elementor front end editor loads, okay? And here is our About Us page. Let's imagine that instead of this Read More button, I would like to have the Call Me button, okay? How to do this? We can search into the search field for WP call. But as you can review, sometimes it does not pop up. Not a problem, just scroll down this sidebar, this left sidebar of elements, until you see a field called WordPress, just right here. And right here, we're gonna scroll it down until you find our WP call button. This one, this is the guy. We're gonna click on it, hold the button, drag this, and drop where we want to apply. Simple as this. Then let's right click with our mouse buttons into this read more content, because I want to remove that. And here is the result I have. Then now I have my call button ready and set up using Elementor as well. The same can happen according to any page builder that you are using. Visual Composer, WP Bakery, any other, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of our amazing WordPress theme and our awesome WordPress plugin, okay? Remember, both you can download for free on wordpress.org. The names are Enzo WordPress theme and Borderless WordPress plugins, okay? But if you go to Visualmodo, you can review the premium versions of those products. As well, you can review our blog full of tutorials. So this video right here is part of a tutorial on our blog where you explain in more details, okay, how to do this, and we bring tutorials every day to our blog, just like to our YouTube channel. So subscribe this channel if you find this content useful, if it helped you by any means, if it improved your WordPress website, or if you like and want to support us. Remember to share this content with a friend of yours, with your family. It's very easy and it's for free, and you have no idea how much it helps us and motivates us to bring more and more content for free for you. In addition, I'm gonna leave some links into the very first comment of this video, okay? The links are for useful sources For example, a place where you can purchase a domain name for 99 cents and maybe sell it for $10,000 into some years. Who knows, right? Or a place where you can upgrade your hosting platform for a very faster one, okay, for a faster one into a cheap price. Or a place where you can download design assets for free, like Photoshop templates, icons, typography, fonts, okay? So review those links, it may be useful for you. And as told previously, feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. I'm gonna be very happy and talk to you. Okay, so it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you later. All the best.